Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 4 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses with accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So total question is 5 and we move to the question number 1. With the cell A5 selected, create the table from existing data except the default setting A5 to K110 for the data range and my table has a header. So select the cell A5 and create the table from the existing table. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and click the tables and click OK. So insert the table and on the table design tabs in the property groups click in the table name box, type to totals and then press enter. So table is total, type the total and press enter. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is question number 2 is delete the cell first table column from a table only, do not table the column C. So delete the cell first table, right clicks and click the delete right click select the cell first tables and go to the home tabs and go to the cell groups and click the deletes. So delete the table column and next is change the width of column I to J auto fit column. So select the column I to J and apply the auto fit column, double click the J column, the auto fit column and next is K5, type the rabbit in cell K5. So select the K5 and type the rabbit and press enter. Next is type the odd in cell L5. So select the cell L5 and type the odd and press enter. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is add the new table row on 73. So add the new table row on 73. So move and drag and select the row 73. Select the row 73, right clicks and click the insert. So insert the new row and type the 24068 in cell A73 and type the date 6/22/2024 in cell B70. Press tab and text fill to auto complete. So select the cell A73, type the 2024 068 and press the tab button and next is type the date. So type the 6 divided by 2022 and 2024 and press tab button. Next is type the 2024 105 in cell A 112, type the 630 2024 in cell B12 B112, press tab button. So select the A110 and type the 2024. So next is type the 2024 as 115 and press tab button and next is type the date 6 by 30 by 2024 and press tab button. So question number 3 is complete. and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is remove the duplicate records in the table using the default setting in the remove the dialog box. So remove the duplicate records. So go to the data tabs, go to the table design tabs and go to the tool groups and click the remove duplicate records and select the all and click OK. So two duplicate value found and remove 105 unique value remain and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is apply the light yellow table style light 19s and 6 style third row light selections to the table. So light yellow table styles and select the light yellow style 19, light yellow table style light 19, click OK. So assignment is done and please click OK to submit the assignment and check the score. So click OK. So upload the assignments and check the score is Excel chapter 4 hand-on exercise simulation training is 100%. So if you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economic, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade, your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.